That's it, Brian? Yes.
Hey these ladies and bros, it's Gentleman Lowe's, and I'm here with a deer review for you. Now today, the gentleman's gift is from Anytime Blades. It's a 9-inch Eurotop Godfather Milano assisted open pocket knife. It's all black with gold trim. It cost me about $12. So they sent it all in a manila envelope, and this is what it came in, packaged like so. So we're gonna open this first. All right. And it's from Tiger USA Knife. So, hey, it's one of those. Don't know if anybody's familiar with that, but this is what it looks like. Okay, now let's see. There's no button on it or anything. I can see before they packaged it that they touched it because I can see their fingerprint. So I wonder who's at the end of the day, it's a stiletto knife, definitely. Looks like it opens just like that. That's what it looks like. It's pretty long. I got this corkscrew to see how sharp it is. Goes through the corkscrew. Pretty nice. Yeah, it's pretty good, nice, pretty sharp. I like the look of it. It also says Milano right there. So that's neat. And I also have this beard brush. Now, from Leather Feel off of Amazon for $13.95, I purchased a Beard Class Gentleman's Beard Brush and Comb Kit. It includes a 13-row reinforced bristle, 100% wooden bore brush. It also has a beard comb, which is a wooden comb, and I'm doing some little bit of research. I learned that wood combs work best with beard growth, and it definitely helps you stimulate your oil that you use in your beard. So that's a hint for you gentlemen out there. Also, ladies, if your man has a nappy mustache, this comes with a mustache comb and a mustache trimmer. It also has a little pouch and a keychain. Alright, let's open it up. And this is what's inside of it. They sent me a card. It says I get a $100 Amazon gift card if I join their Facebook community and share a picture or a video of me using the beard products. Okay, I might have to do that. So that was cool. Here's the wooden comb that I was telling you all about. Man, this is so slick right here, man. Think about pulling this out in the bar. Bitches gonna flock to you, man. Alright, let's see. Also, they come with this nice little comb or brush. Some of the bristles are kind of out. But I mean, as far as quality goes, I'm pretty impressed for $13. This is pretty nice. Bigger than my hand. Not bigger than my hand, but it's bigger than my palm. That's about the size of my palm. So it also comes with this baggie to store everything in. So that's neat. Nice little styleness. Nice size. So. And then here is, if I can get it open, the scissors. Trim the mustache on your lips, upper lip. Some of y'all upper lip needs more than just mustache. I need some toothpaste and all that. Okay, and then it comes with a little comb with a keychain. So, hey. That's definitely something that I recommend you gentlemen having on deck. And again, this is from the Beard Class. Their website is www.beardclass.net. You can find them on Facebook, they're on YouTube, Pinterest, and on Instagram. I believe that I found them just searching on Amazon, trying to find a good comb. Again, gentlemen, if you're looking for a great gift, this knife definitely I recommend. Nice, slick. You can store it in your pocket, lock it. And then this little beard kit, if you guys are trying to grow your beards out, man, give us a chance, man. They're doing it. Very good job. Stay easy out there. And at ease, ladies and bros, it's Gentleman Lowe's, and I'm here with a deer review for you. Stay great.